The Chief Minister also said, to enhance COVID-19 treatment in the state, apart from the civil hospital Shillong, the state government has also prepared TB Hospital Umsawli with 100 beds and all the facilities needed for catering to COVID-19 patients.
And in fact, now we're coming up with many more. So therefore, we're always open to positive suggestions. But I would like to inform the state also and the opposition also that government has already taken steps for that. And apart from civil hospital, now the TB hospital in Shillong, Umsawli will also become a full-fledged hospital. At the same time, we also have already given the work order to set up 100-bedded facility for COVID, specifically COVID, with all the facilities in it. So therefore, all these steps have already been taken. I'm happy to also inform you that the Honorable Speaker has called a meeting of all the political parties on Wednesday at 2:30, where we will be presenting all this information to members of the opposition as well as other political parties. So we have already taken steps in those lines.